Hello, Assalamualaikum, and good morning, everyone. It's glad to see all of you back in the second part of the online distance learning course after your Hari Raya. So, welcome back to our class session. Today, we will continue our lesson to the third part of the lesson, which is on the new product development. Basically, we will be covering chapter 12 on business models. There are 6 learning objectives for us to discover in today's slot, which involve how enterprise create value in applying business and model thinking, to understand strategic differentiations and the link between innovation and positioning, to recognize different level and perspective of value, to formulate and further refine a customer-centered value proposition, and finally to recognize how to generate value from licensing business model. Please refer to your slides for you to follow and understand the whole contents of this chapter. This is a new chapter on business model, the third part of the lesson. The chapter explains the link between business model, strategy, and business plan. It discusses many different forms of business model that exist during the famous bait and hook business model, which has been effectively used by inkjet cartridge manufacturer and resin producer, for example. Business model is fundamentally linked with the technological innovation. In other words, saying that a company may adapt a new business model once the new or latest technological innovation take place. They are used to describe and clarify businesses, especially in the entrepreneurial setting. But they are also used by the manager inside of the company to explore the potential possibility for future development. Well-known business model can be operated as a recipe for creative managers. Business model are fundamentally linked with technological innovation, yet the business model construct is essential separately from technology. According to Baden-Fuller and Hefliger 2013, business model mediate the link between technology and firm performance. In other words, saying that this business model is an uh, 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 what we call as penghubung, di antara between technology and the firm performance. Secondly, developing the right technology is a matter of business model decision regarding openness and user engagement. This chapter shows that a business model is actually an abstract presentation of an organization. It can be in a conceptual form, textual, graphical, all in core interrelated architecture, cooperation, and financial arrangement design are developed by an organization presented in the present, in the and the future, as well as the core products and the service of the organizations, what the organization offer for its customer. And based on this arrangement, they are needed to achieve the strategic goals and objectives. The, the case study highlighted in this chapter tell stories about firms on how firms develop new tools, whitening product, and different business model possible to make money. So please explore the case study on the innovation in action by blackcircle.com, a new business model. But basically here I would like to wrap or summarize the case study notes. The case study on the blackcircle.com is actually a business model highlighted. It's tell a story how Manish Gazes cover $1 million market opportunity for whitening tape and explore how best they exploit it in the market. This is based on a true story. This was a genuine product idea which the company was not sure how to exploit it in the beginning. The key dentists revolve around whether they want to enter the consumer market or the professional dentist market with more expensive industrial product. Therefore, please use your time, tutorial session to discover and answer the case study questions. There are 8 of the questions, as well as learn and discover on the discussion questions on your own. Right. Therefore, um, as all in all, I will say that to conclude for this chapter, we can say that um, business, it's important to develop a clear business model for an enterprises. It is a simple, powerful tool to remind entrepreneurs how their ideas will make money, how to turn their ideas into money generation. It shows that business models are fundamentally linked with the technological innovation, yet the business model construct is essential separate from the technology. More importantly, developing the right technology as a matter of business model decision regarding openness and user engagement. The license business model is common for technology-based venture and all aspects of licensing required. So, therefore, that's all covered chapter 12. I'll see you in next chapter. Thank you.